Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you would like to see how I made this cute vintage oil lantern, then please stick around and I'll show you how I made it. And give this video a thumbs up if you like DIYs, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Okay, for this project, I'm going to be using one of these little flower pots you get in a 3-pack from the Dollar Tree. So I'll be using one of those. And I'm going to be taking it outside and giving it a couple of coats of this spray paint. Now this is the Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Cover, the paint and the primer. And this is the Ultimate Ultra Matte in the color black. So I'm going to take this outside, give it a couple of coats of paint, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the flower pot after I've given it 2 coats of the black spray paint. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be using one of these vases that I picked up. Now I got mine from Walmart, but I do know that you can get something similar to this at the Dollar Tree. The reason why I got this from Walmart was because my Dollar Tree did not have any of these. But I did get this from Walmart. I think it was just under $3. So I will be gluing this using some of the E6000 glue, and you can also use hot glue if you like, but since this is glass, I tend to like to use the E6000 because it will adhere better to glass. So now at this point, before you start to glue, if you want to remove the label, you can, or you can leave it on there. It's totally up to you. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this as liberally as I can over the bottom of this glass. Have that glue on. I'm just going to place this and right here on the bottom of the flower pot. I'm trying to get it as centered as I can. The good thing with using the E6000 is it doesn't sit up right away, so I do have time to maneuver this to get it straight if I need to. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. So I'm going to let that E6000 glue kind of set up for a little bit, and then we will come back. Okay, so now I'm going to take one of these wooden skewers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to be using one of the beads off of this beaded garland that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. I will be using one of those, and what I'm going to do is just go in and give them both a coat or 2 of this apple barrel paint in the color black, and as soon as I get that done, I'll come back and show you what's next. Okay, so now I have the skewer painted, and I did just cut a little bit of the skewer off. I'm not using the whole thing. And then I also have the bead painted. So now what I'm going to do is just figure out where I want this to go on my lamp. And I know I kind of want it to go out here on the side. So I think I'm just going to measure down probably about an inch, inch and a half or so, and just cut that off. Put it probably right about there. So I'm going to take some hot glue. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue here on the end. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of stick that right there. And I'm going to hold it there until the glue sets up. Okay, so now I'm going to take the wood bead, and I'm going to add some hot glue down inside, just a little bit around there. And since this has a hole in it, I am just going to slide that down over that skewer, and I'm going to poke it all the way through until the tip of that skewer is coming out here on the end. Now I'm going to let this glue set up and dry. Once that's done, I'm going to come in with some more of the black paint, and I'm just going to go around and touch up where I need to touch up at, like around the where there's hot glue here, and then on the end here of the little bead, and I also see where I have a little bit of paint that is chipped off. So I'm just going to go through and kind of touch that up a little bit with some black paint, and then I will be right back. Okay, so here is the little lantern now that it's all complete. I did put a little like a votive, battery operated votive candle down inside there. But I think this turned out really cute. So if you want to, you can also add some sort of a ribbon or embellishment that you want. I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of this. This is like a lace ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. And all I'm going to do is just cut off a little bit here. And I'm just going to tie a little bow kind of around the base.
So here is how the lamp turned out. This was a super easy and very inexpensive project. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!